So here I'm in one of our showrooms. This is one of our smaller showrooms, but what I want to highlight here is in each of our showrooms we try to display a lot of the product offerings we might be able to help you with at your local branch. All of our local branches are set up with showrooms. Our team of experts are here to help you, but you might be able to get a visual reference or just see what type of product it is we're going to service your needs with, and that's what we have our showrooms here for. So in our production facilities, again, we try to stock everything in large volumes at the component level, giving us the freedom and flexibility to accommodate your business needs quickly. As you can see here behind me, we've got production tables. We're equipped with flange washers, axles, nuts, bushings, and these are the parts that our teams use to assemble all of the casters quickly and efficiently so we can service your business needs on a daily basis. Freedom and flexibility to get you the right products for the right application. Whether you need just rigs, just the wheels, or just the washers or bearings in your wheels, we've got it all in stock and ready to ship quickly to service your needs.